So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have a Haier inverter AC and the remote of that AC looks something like this, and the remote of your AC is not working properly or the remote is damaged and you need to use your AC from your mobile in an emergency, then today I am going to tell you how you can easily use the AC from your mobile. So let's start the video. Before using the AC from your mobile, please note that if you have a Mi, Xiaomi, Redmi phone or your phone has an IR blaster, only then you can use the AC from your mobile, that too without Wi-Fi connectivity, and you can use your AC offline anytime. First of all, open the Play Store on your mobile. Now search for Lloyd AC Remote in the Play Store. Now install Lloyd AC Remote. Now Lloyd AC Remote is installed. Now go inside this app. Now turn on the AC from the main switch and use it from your mobile just like you use the AC remote. You can now see the remote in the application. You can operate your AC with this remote and you can use it offline anytime without Wi-Fi connectivity. Before making this video, I tried it practically on my AC. I am uploading this video only after it was successful, so trust me, it will definitely work. I hope you understood the information I provided. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel.